Upsize Gel, does it really work? Full review and how to use it effectively. Welcome to our in-depth review of Upsize Gel, the trending enhancement gel that claims to improve size, firmness, and confidence. If you're curious about how this product works, what ingredients it contains, and whether it's worth your time and money, you're in the right place. What is Upsize Gel? Upsize Gel is marketed as a topical solution designed to naturally enhance size and improve sexual performance. Made with herbal extracts and essential oils, the formula claims to stimulate blood circulation and support tissue expansion when used consistently. Who is it for? Men seeking natural male enhancement options. Those wanting to boost bedroom confidence. Anyone exploring non-invasive solutions for better intimacy. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a doctor before starting any new health or skincare routine. Like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Have you tried Upsize Gel or a similar product? Let us know your experience in the comments below.